Tandoori chicken fried rice. One pot, easy, delicious meal. You can make at home under 45 minutes of your time. Here you go. Whoa. You will need chicken, thighs and leg, whole combo without the skin. You will need some onion, some ready-made tandoori seasoning. If you have dry powder, take it. If you have a wet marinade, in market these days they have wet marinade as well. I would suggest use dry marinade. This marinade already has ginger and garlic. Basmati rice. This is stove top tandoori chicken fried rice recipe. We have a pot on the stove. You can use ghee, you can use olive oil. You'll need 1/3 cup of the baking in here. One medium to large size white onion, slice it. So we will be using half of the sliced onion in here. Fry the onion until they are light brown in color. We will take our rice and we will soak it in the water. So this is almost 1.5 pounds of the chicken, 2 baking cups of the rice, basmati rice. Two cups of water and soak these beautiful basmati rice. Tandoori fried rice are soaking in water. So here we will take our tandoori chicken. This is a whole leg piece and have cuts on it. Once you have beautiful cuts like this on the chicken, put it in your marinade bowl. Our tandoori chicken is ready. Let's marinate this delicious chicken now. New pair of gloves are on. Let's marinate this beauty. Take 2 whole tablespoons of the all-purpose yogurt. Red food color, you have to add it. 1/4 tablespoon. Tandoori chicken masala. Easy, ready-made ingredients. Just put them together for this delicious tandoori fried rice only. 2 whole tablespoons of the tandoori masala. Use your beautiful hands, wear some gloves and massage this. Rub the ingredients with the yogurt all in here. Once you marinate this, you can leave it overnight for the better results, but this is instant recipe. You don't have to do that. Just follow the recipe, I'm telling you, and you're going to be happy. Our delicious tandoori chicken is completely marinated. Instant marinade, easy marinade. So if you look at here, it's been almost 10 minutes or 7 minutes. Our onions are light brown in color. Let's take 3-4 bay leaves, add it in here since it's a fried rice, right? Tandoori style. And take 1 tablespoon of the cumin seeds, add it in here. 1/2 tablespoon of the regular salt. Chicken bouillon, take just 1 cube, add it in here. Give it a mix. So first we have to make our masala ready for the rice, and then we will cook this delicious tandoori chicken in here in this masala. Our delicious tandoori fried rice masala is ready. Let's grab our beautiful tandoori chicken. So this is the trick, okay? Once you grab this whole leg, put it face down in your pan. You don't need the spoon at this point. So this is the whole leg. Put it face down like this. 4 beautiful delicious tandoori chicken legs are in here. The stove is on the high flame. Cover it with the lid and cook it like this for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes we will do a flip. It's been 5 minutes. Let's flip our delicious tandoori chicken legs in pot. Whoa. So again, at high flame, cook it for another 5 minutes. It's been 10 minutes since we added our delicious marinated tandoori chicken legs in the masala which we made for the rice initially. Here you go. Whoa! It is smoky, it is charred. Put your stove onto medium Let me show you this, okay? So this will be the whole process. The charred onion in the back, they will give the smoky flavor to this delicious tandoori rice. And look, let me show you this piece as well. It has the char. Let's add this back. We will take our soaked rice, add your soaked rice in here on top of the tandoori chicken. 1 more cup of water. The stove's on the medium flame. Add it on top of this. Don't move the spoons, don't do nothing. Cover it with the lid and cook it like this at least for 15 minutes, and then we will take a look after 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes since we added the rice. Let's open this, and this is the truth. Look at this beautiful colors of delicious tandoori chicken fried rice. Put your stove on to simmer. Lemon slices. Let's add these. How beautiful colors I got. Come around, I'll show you. So we have white rice in there, we have tandoori colored rice, and we have the fully seasoned brown rice in there. All of them are here. Dress it with some fresh cilantro. Let's cover it again on the simmer, and just last 10 minutes we have to put it on simmer. 45 minutes later, since we started this whole tandoori chicken fried rice process from start to the end, we will turn off our stove. This is the moment of truth, and here you go. Delicious, steaming hot, fluffy tandoori chicken fried rice is ready. I got the biggest spoon ever possible. Look at this, my friend. You can see every single grain and the colors. So catch me if I fall. Let's do a taste test for this delicious. My mouth is watery. 1 part tandoori chicken fried rice is ready. This is the tandoori chicken. It has the char. It is tender. Wow. Take the tandoori rice, fried rice. Put the chicken. Put the lemon. Oh. A delicious recipe you can make in 45 minutes of your time. Tandoori chicken fried rice. Chicken is fried, the rice is fluffy, cooked. You can see every single grain of the rice. And enjoy this recipe. Oh my god, this is a big bite. Hungry bite. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the bell icon so whenever I post a video you should know about it. I will see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and bye bye for now.